Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I want to do today is make another dog mom shirt using a different printable that I found for free online, and I'll link that in the description box below. And I'm going to be using the printable heat transfer sheets that are silhouette, but you can use them with your Cricut, and they're for dark colored fabrics. I find it works much better if you do the dark colored fabrics, okay? So I already have design space loaded here on my canvas. I'm going to go to the circle with the plus, and so I've already uploaded my image, and so I'm going to images over here on the left hand side of the screen, browse all images here in green, and then I'm going to ownership and upload it. And then here it is. I think it's so cute, Dog Mom. I love this writing and I love the little paws. So when you click on it, it'll put a green box around it. Go down to make it right bottom corner. Now it's going to come in very large. So what I want to do is I'm going out from size, there's a little lock, and I'm going to backspace on the width and put in 3.924 for the width. 924. 3.924. Okay. And then for the height, I'm going to backspace and put in 4.069 and then lock that back. And that's the size that I want Dog Mom to be, okay? Then we're going to go to shapes right here on the left, and I want a heart because Maggie truly has stolen my heart. So I'm going to choose this really vibrant red, and then I'm going to click on it again, and out from the lock I want to make my heart a different size. I want to make it 6.727 wide, and then for the height I want to make it 7.05, okay, and then I'm going to lock that back. Now we have two. If you'll look over here in the layers column, we have the heart and then the words that says Dog Mom. This is a cut and print, and that's a cut. Well, I want my Dog Mom to be on top of my heart, so I'm going to move the words over there, go up to the top where it says arrange, click on that, send to the front, and then I'm just going to put it where I think it looks really cute in here. Probably a little bit like, you could center it if you want, but I like to do it myself. Then maybe I want mine a little different from, perfect, okay? And you just kind of got to mess with it. I like that. I think that looks really good. Now, if you look, they're still separate. So we're going to draw a box around them. We're going to go to the top here in the layers column and click on group. Okay, but they're still separate. So while that box is around it, I'm going to draw another one. And then I'm going to go to the bottom of the layers column and hit flatten, and look, it becomes one piece. So I already have my printable heat transfer loaded in my printer, and I'm hoping that my ink will hold out. So I'm kind of low. So we're going to go to make it right top corner. It will put it on our mat. You do not want to mirror the image. Leave it unmirrored. Go to continue, right bottom corner. Send it to the printer. Leave your bleed on. Hit print. And I have my Cricut set to custom. And I'm going to use the printable iron-on dark. And for my default pressure, I think I'm going to add more. I really need to change that blade, but when I'm out of this room, I forget about it. So the next time you see me, we'll be putting out and cutting this beautiful applique to go on our shirt. Okay, here is my t-shirt that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I always get them with the V-neck. And then here's my image that I printed out, and it turned out pretty well. It only has a few little light areas right there, but it's not going to bother me, and I love how that looks. I have my light grip mat. Now right here is the printable heat transfer that I have. And it says right here for dark color fabrics, and that's what you want. If now it comes with this little piece of parchment paper, and you'll need that in a minute. It comes with, actually, I think it's 2 pieces. But when you get this, you want to print it on this blank side. So in my printer, I have to load it upside down with the stripes facing up, so it will print on this blank side. Now, if you forget what I've told you, it'll all, you know, you can open this right here, and it'll be all your instructions, okay? And I'll link this if I can find it in the description box below. And you can use those links or not. It's entirely up to you. So here this is. I'm going to put this right here. And this is so customizable. You wouldn't have to put it in a heart. You could do so many different things. But I printed out the PNG image. And I'm going to load it with the blinking arrow. And I'm going to cut it with the blinking C. And Maggie is right down here. You want to come to Mama? You want to come to Mama? Come to Mama. You're going to come to your Mama. You don't want to come to Mama? Okay. She's just looking around. She's being Miss Independent right now. And these are washable. You just can't use fabric softener. And I made Christmas ones last year, and they really are great. And I wash them. I don't have any problems. I don't dry them in the dryer either. Don't put them in the dryer. Okay, and this is simple because it's just going to cut around that heart. You could do it where it would actually cut out dog mom if you wanted, but I wanted it like this. Okay, we'll eject it. Okay, and then all you do is you basically made like a sticker. You're going to peel this right up delicately. And this is what we have, and we will go apply it on this shirt. So I'll meet you in the kitchen, and we'll get this applied. Okay, I hope you caught all this. I think my phone shut off. Okay, it just beeped. I have 2 parchment papers right here on top, and I'm going to look, and it's adhered nicely. And here this is. I'll go try it on for you. But I think it is so pretty. Okay guys, here it is. I love how this turned out. It is just so easy to make, and it's, you know, it's flat. You can scrunch it up. I wash these. Like I said, I have Christmas ones on my channel that I've made with images that I found, and I wash them in cold water, turn them inside out, do not use fabric softener, and don't put them in the dryer, and they last. So I've even washed the ones I did with Arteza glitter vinyl, and they did really well too. And I layered the vinyl, and you're really technically not supposed to, but with Arteza, I don't have any trouble. But look at this, how pretty this is. I just love this. And like I said, you can leave it just with the same, make the same bigger, not put the heart on it. But I really wanted to put a heart on this because she is such a sweetheart, and she has stolen my heart, okay? So I will see you all tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm so excited for this DIY. I think you'll really like it. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, bye guys.